Hi all, in this video we will see Azure DevOps Calendar and below are the agenda. The first agenda is how to install calendar extension. The second agenda is how to maintain leave in the calendar, or I will show you how to add leave in the calendar for the resources. The third is calendar event such as town hall or sprint pre-planning, sprint planning, sprint retro, all those any event, how to maintain it. At last, I will show you how to add a new category. Let's jump to the Azure DevOps portal, dev.azure.com, and we will select as in all other video. I am going to online shopping cart. In this video also I am going to online shopping cart, and we will see here, you will see there is no calendar. So what we have to do, that we have to go to the marketplace. I will give you this link. Go to the marketplace and make sure you are here, Azure DevOps, and type calendar, and you will find so many, but select this one, team calendar, and it is free of cost. Select get it free, and select the organization, which organization you want to install it. It will be a little bit slow, and that's it. Proceed to the organization, select your, and you will see here, you will find calendar, and but what you have to do, you need to select your team, in which team you want to do the configuration. So here is 2 team is showing, okay. And the second agenda is how to add leave. So what you have to do, click here and add day off. So this is the way you will add the leave for any resources. Select the date and time. Let's take example of 5 to 7 and select the resource name. I'm selecting John. Say OK. You see, this is the leave is got added. So now the third agenda is how to add an event. Again, you have to click add event and say that sprint pre-planning, okay, and you say that you will be doing on 12 and only on 12, but you see category is right now null, so I will just type it here, sprint, okay, say okay. So you see this is a event, okay. Now the last agenda is how to add a event. As I've already shown you, you just need to select add event, and in the category you see already sprint is coming. Let's take example of you want to add something like that, town hall. So just type TOW and town hall, okay, and that's it, okay. You have to select TOW and town hall for all, and let's see that I will do that on 14 to 15. Sorry, let's have 14 and just say okay. That's it. So we have seen how to add leaves, how to add events, and how to add category for the events. So just have a recap. You can see here is a sprint 1, and see, you can see the date October 1st to 22. This is just a sample. I will explain you in other video how to manage a sprint properly. And you can see the day off, who is taking the day off. Here is John James, and here is Muhammad Afzal for 5 days and 3 days, and here is the events. So you can see sprint pre-planning, town hall, and you can see all the colors, different colors. But right now we don't have flexibility to choose different color for a different category or different resources. I will show you another way around how this leaf can be added, or you can see, just go to the sprint. It is really very helpful, the calendar. As soon as you can enter the leaves or day off in the calendar, automatically it will get reflected in the sprint capacity. So you can see already in the sprint 3 days is telling off for John James, 4 days is off for Muhammad Afzal. And if you want, some holidays are coming and you want to apply leave for all whole team, so what you can do, you can just do from here and it automatically maintain in the calendar, or I will say the vice versa. But remember, for events it will be not maintained this way. If in event you will try to do leave, if you can create leave as a category in the event and you try to enter there, that will not reflect here. So you have to maintain as a day off. That's all for the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thank you very much.